Hello, everybody, and welcome to Statistics. This is Math 160/Business 232 for summer of 2021. I want to welcome you to this class and tell you guys a little bit about myself. My name is Amit. I teach at Santa Ana College in California, and I feel lucky enough to be teaching this course remotely online for your college. So, this video is going to briefly take you guys through the course and help you get started on Module 1. So first thing is the syllabus. You can click on here and you will see the syllabus, which please feel free to go through this, and if you have any questions, let me know. It'll load, you can download it. It gives you all the relevant information. But the main thing you will need is the modules. So when you click on modules from the home page, if you are not familiar with Canvas, there's an orientation. Feel free to go through these pages, which are not required at all. Our class starts with Module 1. So the welcome video is what you're watching. Each module has an introduction that'll tell you what's happening in Module 1, what you are required to complete. So first thing I'd like you to do is I would like you to please print these class notes. These are notes for the entire semester. There are 123 pages, but this is the only cost associated with this class. There's no book to purchase. There's no access code to buy. This is pretty much it. If you have a tablet or something you can write on, and you just want to take notes on the tablet or your laptop or whatever, that's completely fine too. You don't have to print these. I don't collect them. They are just recommended for you. Our module will have a discussion board, which I will place shortly. It'll be right after the introduction. The discussion board will just ask you to introduce yourself to the class. The initial post is due by Thursday of week 1, and the 2 responses to other students in the class will be due by Sunday of week 1. That'll be right over here. Once you print the notes, you can take a look at where to get help. Anytime you're stuck on a problem, you can go to this online drop-in tutoring for summer 2021. These are instructions on doing so. All right, so each section is going to be split up into 3 different parts. You have a video lesson, you have a Zoom recording, and then you have key terms, which you will be practicing, homework, which you'll be practicing. So you have practice for each of the sections. The video lesson gives you an introduction to the topic that's going to be covered. The video lesson will not take you through every single part of the notes. That's where the Zoom recording comes in. The Zoom recording is my class recording that'll take you through the video lesson, kind of rehash the topics again so you see it twice, and then it'll also cover the topics that were not covered in the video lesson. So please make sure you watch each of these. These videos are aligned to these notes up here, so you can fill these notes out as you watch the video lesson and the Zoom recording. Once you're done, you can click on the practice and work on that. Let me show you guys what a practice lesson looks like. So your homework is going to look something like this. Now note that you have 3 chances, so it'll say 3 tries remaining. You have 3 tries on any given question. So I'm going to get this wrong on purpose. After 3 tries, the answer will be displayed. So you can use the correct answer to work backwards and think about how did I get that answer. Then all you have to do is click on Get a Similar Question, and it resets. And you can do this as many times as you'd like until you get the correct answer. A lot of these problems have either a written example, especially the difficult ones, have a written example that's very similar, or it has a video lesson. So click on the written example and it'll take you through a similar problem. As I mentioned, some of these have a help feature of a video lesson. So for question help, if you see a video, feel free to click on that and it'll take you through a similar example. You can also get help with drop-in tutoring. You can place a question in the course chat, or you can email me for help as well. Okay, so that's basically it. Start with Module 1 to start working your way down. Your homework is always due at 11:59 p.m. on Sundays. And this is a lot of work because we're taking a 16-week class and condensing it into 8 weeks. So it is going to be a lot of work. But if you spread your time out and if you manage your time, if you make sure you work on statistics a little bit every single day instead of waiting till the last minute, then I have no doubt that you will be successful in this class. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email and I'll be happy to help you out. And I look forward to guiding you through this course. Take care.